My name is Mrs. DeSocio, and I am a teacher, ELA teacher and reading teacher at Monticello High School. And I often share my brownies with my students, so I thought I'd give them the recipe. And of course, you're welcome to the recipe as well. So here we go. First thing we should do is wash our hands. And actually, I should pull my hair back too, because you don't want hair blowing in your food. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see, I guess. All right, so let's wash our hands. It's always good practice to do anyway, and especially when you get home from school. All right, so we do that. And honestly, I've already washed my hands a few times because this is my third try at this video. Okay, all right, so here we go. So the first thing to do when baking anything really is to turn on the oven. So it's 350, that will take about 10 minutes to heat up. Okay, and the recipe is very simple because actually I use this particular recipe and right on the back are the directions. On occasion I do make them by scratch, but often I don't have that kind of time. So here we go. We have 1/4 cup of water, which I've already poured in here. We have 2/3 of a cup of oil, and again follow the box directions. Then we have 1 lovely egg, which always makes everything taste good. There we go. Okay, and then I just gently stir this up. It takes a minute or two, you don't want to kill it. I already opened this for convenience. Pour this in. Add this. Okay. And then we just simply stir it. It will be a little lumpy. The mix used to always say you would stir for 50 strokes, give or take. So you don't want to overkill on brownie recipes. Actually, any recipe, any baking recipe with gluten in it, you don't want to beat the gluten until it turns into almost like a, I don't know, Play-Doh. Okay, all right. But do follow the directions, that's always a good thing. All right, so we're almost here. I'm going to give it a good, I don't know, 30 strokes maybe, just to stir it in. And what I do actually plan to do with this is after I bake it and cool it and cut it, then I will freeze it. And then this way, when we do get together, which I hope will be really soon, we will enjoy it together. Okay? And then the most important ingredient that you really need, can you see this, Connie? Can you, okay. The most important ingredient that you need is a lovely cup of chocolate chips. That's what makes an excellent brownie. Okay, again, I'm just stirring it in. I've already sprayed the bottom of my pan. And I'm just going to pour this in. Okay, make sure you've gotten the dry ingredients off the bottom. And I don't know how to do this without blocking everything, but I guess it's pretty straightforward. Okay. All right, there we go. Just pour it in. And really, you can put almost anything in here that's sweet, if you like, but it seems to, the favorite really seems to be the chocolate chips. So that's what I do. And then, of course, you have to be careful of peanut allergies and such. You know, this particular brand does not have any peanut products in it. Another good reason why you wash your hands is because if you do that, they better be clean, right? Okay, and that's it. We're just going to put this in the oven. 25 minutes is all it takes. I'll check it with a toothpick just to make sure that it's done. Shake that a little bit. And here we go. Okay? And that's it. Did you shut it off? Oh. So, anyway.
Just move.
Just move?